Yeah, hey guys, so welcome into Blender. So today we're gonna make something very special, something maybe visual art or such stuff. So at first, let's go here and go Shift A Mesh and Plane, and I'm gonna try to block out the shape, or maybe I'll start to a shop. So I'm gonna rotate it, or X90 or Z90, something close to this, and maybe boost it like this. Go here, select this edge and G and Z to move it or scale it in Z axis, something close to this. And this is gonna be the main shop, so we're gonna have some kind of walls here. So I'm gonna go with this one, Shift D, and move it something close to this. And P2 separated. So now I have two meshes here. So I'm gonna stack with this one and move it like this. And also I'm gonna copy it later here. So let's stuck with this main shape here for the building. I'm gonna go with E for extrude, something like this. And I'm gonna go here. It's one loop cut and one loop cut down. So now I have like two loop cuts. Maybe the better. We have one loop cut and beveled. So we have top as down here. Go to viewport and let's select faces here and here too, while holding shift. And we're gonna go here, Alt E, and extrude longos normals. And scale it a little big, something close to this one. And then we're gonna separate this face here and start to play around. So the first I'm gonna add one loop cut here and drag it down. Like this is gonna be the window, or the window area gonna be here. So for this one, I'm gonna bevel. Maybe something a little. And E for extrude close to this. Maybe more, so I'm gonna just move it. I think this one is okay. And then we're gonna go with this face here. Now we need to separate it again and just select this one and go with I to insert face. Or we can use just the pull tool. I think we have it. The boolean here. So I can, in Blender 4.3, I can use it like this to make my cut. I to insert face. Something, this one. Go E for extrude. And it's better to go separate this one. And I'm gonna need this later. So maybe boost it on the top like this. And select this one. Grab it down. And grab this. Before this I need just to make like rounded stuff here. Go in this face. Add one loop cut. Go here, Ctrl B for the bevel. G next, and move it to the back, like this. And here Alt E, extrude longos normals, and extrude inside, so the door gonna be open and close in this area here. And to make a good fence, so you can go here and select this H or 1H, like this, Shift D and B to separate it. And then go here in edit mode, go GY like this, and this one, GY. And then select this H here, E for extrude in Z axis, like this, and we go select this face, subdivide like this multiple times, and go to wireframe. This one fits good, so maybe we go here, right click, and unsubdivide, make it one, or like this. scale it down, then you go select any triangle or Z here from this face. Go select similar and polygon area. Then you're gonna go delete it and delete the faces here. And you have this one, so you can go array and play around like in y-axis. Like this, and you're gonna be good. So here you can open and close your doors, and you're good. And move it to fence, and just hit save it. So I don't need 3 or this part here. Can also apply and then delete this one. So maybe we add some stuff inside or outside, but I don't know right now, but I'll try. This one's gonna be the wall. So the wall gonna be like this, maybe, or in the middle. Maybe set range. So maybe we just go in here, Shift A mesh and plane, or X90 or Z, go and select here, and we go assign this loop cuts, this edges, like this. S and Z to just scale it, then select face and go with I to insert face, something close to this, X. Delete only this face. I'm gonna select everything, hit E, and X to extrude in X-axis, something close to this. And I think this one clean, so that will be good. So it could be a frame, and this is okay. Maybe we add a bevel, but I'll leave this for the end when we're done. Shift A mesh and go to plane, or X90 or Z, and then go here, G and Z to grab this down, to grab this, and this one. Now we good. So I'm gonna just play around with this one, like 3 loop cuts, or I don't know, maybe 3 loop cuts. Like this, then select everything, E for extrude, and I'm gonna go select this edges here while holding Shift, and go with Ctrl B for the bevel, something close to this one, go here, we can go here, and select this long faces, there's this one, and go delete and delete the faces. So now we have something close to this one, and I don't need this this stuff here. This one, gonna delete this and fill the gaps here. You can fill these gaps. Have to fill and do the same down. So we go like this. So what we're going to do right now, just go in edit mode and Control R, like 2, 3, 4, 5 loop cuts here, and 5 here, 5, and 5, and then go with proportional editing. On my frame, I select this one in the middle. Let's go G and Z like this. Then select this face here, or side face. And turn off this one, goes a little extrude. And we can do the same here. Little extrude. And we have this as a shape, so it'll be okay. So I'm gonna set this behind this wires or something like this. So it's gonna give another details with lighting or that stuff. This one is pretty simple. I won't make it as destroyed, but I don't know, maybe just try to tweak it. I'm gonna turn this opacity or CC. Feel this okay, and we can go with array and go here with array modifier and Z axis. This one gonna be 0 and Z gonna be 1. Not Z, sorry. Maybe Y. Okay. Maybe boost a little. And we're gonna go. And here we're going to add some more details inside shop. So first I'm gonna go Shift A and cube and scale it down as I can. Go to magnetic and snap with the faces. Snap this to the face like this and go here. I think this is good. Just gonna go here and extrude this. Let's turn off proportional editing and go here and G and Y. Something with this one and boost it at the top. Now we can zoom in, go here, just move this and select this edge here. Goes Ctrl B for the bevel. Something close to this one. And we're gonna go select this pose here, just 2 faces. Goes double I to insert face, like this, or make it individual, so everyone have every face have his insert face with I or double I as you want. And then we're gonna go with Alt E, extrude face along with normals, and try to extrude inside, something like this. And we need a couple of the handles. So we're gonna make one handle here and another one down, or just one button here. So we're gonna go here and add one more loop cut, like this. We don't need this one here, so I'm not gonna touch it right now. And here I'm gonna select this 2, hit I to insert face, another extrude and extrude inside. This, and gonna need 2 handle here and 1 here. So Shift A mesh and go to circle. I don't need too much circle. So circle, got setting, and down this to maybe 16. I think 16 is enough. RX19, RZ19. Then zoom in. F to fill in edit mode, and then E for extrude. Then go select this face, hit I to insert face, goes extrude inside, and then I to insert face again, extrude like this, and maybe scale down, or I don't know, but feels this one good. So I'm gonna select this both edges, like this one and this one, maybe the inside one, goes Ctrl B for the bevel, like with 2. I think this one good. Ctrl+2 to add subsurface modifier, like this one. Now we're good. So I'm gonna go here. Yeah, I need just to push this face here, like this. Make it small, or need just to make this small. This one pushed. Add one more loop cut, like this. This one with I to insert face. So now I can delete this, solve, and I'm okay with this one. Maybe I don't need this too much, so I can delete this, delete the edges. I need this vertices too, so just delete vertices. Select this ring and just F to fill, and we can just hit I to insert face. And one loop cut. Another one here, and we're done, I think. Just turn on magnetic, and like this one on the face. Go here with the mirror. So mirror in this object, y-axis, or yeah, I need it on y-axis. Just gonna apply origin to geometry, and for this one too. So now we're good, and just Alt D to just fake copy and disable this mirror and boost it like here. Goes magnetic. I think I need to just turn on face projection and align this one. Move and rotate. I'm gonna select this edge here, Shift D and B to separate. Select this one, yes, and then EX to just extrude like this. Like to make this ring here, go slash, shade smooth, and go here, extrude inside like this. Add one loop cut in the middle and just boost it like this one. And here I have like a clean cut mesh. And I think I'm gonna erase this one. like this, maybe use Alt D. Oh shit. Without the building for sure. So I don't need this building. So this one looks cool, and we need like some stuff here. Shift A mesh and plane. Can just turn off merge. Leave this one and go here. Align this one here and this edge like this. E for extrude. Apply everything, set origin to a geometry, and go here in the middle, one loop cut. Extrude longus normals, aim it inside, something little, just to give this shapes or this how it shapes here. And we're gonna go with array, and maybe in the z-axis like this. And 3. With the mirror, so good. I think this one's good. And we need something in the back. Maybe human gonna stand here. So I need something in background. Like a cook or something. So with another plane, and just move it like this. Select this face here and go E for extrude. And then I'm gonna move it in x-axis to give this shape here. And then extrude again inside. Bottom I mean. Like this, and yeah, this face I'm gonna be separate. Going to add one loop cut here, and 2 like this here. Go select everything and go with I to insert face, so individually, absolutely. Then I'm gonna go here for extrude inside, something close to this. I don't know if I can add more. S or Alt S. I'm not sure about that step, so I'm gonna leave it like this right now. And go here, apply. Set origin to a geometry. And for this face, I'm gonna be separated. This one can be extrude little. This is gonna be metal, and maybe here we have some product or that stuff. So let's go back, and I need this one to be boosted, so I can see it from here, like this. Or maybe this, I don't know. I'll try to add more details and extra stuff here. So maybe go with details. Let's go this. And here, all details I'm gonna do, just go select this frames here and select the outside edges, like this. And go with Ctrl B for the bevel, and maybe with 2 is good. And this is okay, so maybe we need some handles here. It's not gonna appear in final render, but I'll try to make stuff right. So for this, I'm gonna go with plane, rotate it like this. And scale it down, goes magnetic, and on faces. So like this. rotate it to 90, then close the magnetic here, and with this shape maybe we're gonna go deep. So let's go like this, and here I'm gonna select this one, E for extrude, and maybe play around with this. Maybe add one loop cut here, Ctrl B for the bevel, and then select this both, and go for E for extrude, then Ctrl 2 to add subsurface modifier, and right click shade smooth, and only think like one loop cut again, and I think we okay right now. Like this, and move this here with one loop cut and another one. I think it's better to add one in the middle, and Ctrl B, then one in the middle and Ctrl B, something close to this, just simple and clean. Then we go back and select this handle and this faces here, and we're gonna apply object set origin to geometry, and here we're gonna go with array. So array modifier, just to copy, and 0 on X, and in Z axis if you want just drag it down, and maybe like 3 like this, and X is 0 like this. And in instance of Alt D or copy, I'm just gonna use mirror, and mirror object, gonna pick this one and switch to Y axis, and here I think this one is done. We can move it like this, so outer inside. Maybe I'm gonna go copy this one, Shift D and then B to separate it, and go here, just get a big, go assign it S and Z, go for extrude, and like this. Actually I don't need subsurface here. Insert face, then extrude inside, just like this one, and maybe delete this. I would need this all, so Shift D and B to separate, and go with this face, E for extrude, and the insert face, another extrude inside, then go select this edges here, Ctrl B for the bevel with 2. I don't need to bevel the edges here, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Just gonna go here in an array and just drag it down. Maybe like this 6. Then play around these numbers. Shade it smooth. I think we could just a little edit. Extrude inside like this. And here we're done. And in this part, to make like this pipeline here, or to make something like this one, so it's pretty simple. If we go here and just select this, you got to see it's pretty simple. All we need, just go here, Shift A mesh, and go circle, scale it down something close to this, go to edit mode, F to fill, and E to extrude. Maybe you go too much big, so I'm gonna S for scale it down, something like this, and go to wireframe, select this vertices here, and go to GZ, just to move it here, like this. And about the rings here, absolutely another ring, so maybe we go here, Ctrl R, add loop cut, and then Ctrl B for the bevel. Or before, you can just go here, select this edge, and go Shift D and B to separate it. So now I have extra edge, You go in edit mode, select everything, F to fill, E for extrude, like this, and select everything again, S for skillet, and you can make something like this. So maybe scale it down, but you need to apply transform and origin point, so it's gonna be easy. And shade smooth, and shade smooth. And also I can bevel this edges here to give like some variation or some details, something close to this. You're gonna see the difference, this one. So I'm gonna copy this one, maybe Alt-D, and drag one down. And at the bottom, it's the same story here. You go with one loop cut, Shift-D, and B to separate it. And go like this, boost it to the top. And go in edit mode, select everything, F to fill, E to extrude. And then all we just gonna do, just scale it down, GZ a little, and scale it big. But we apply transform and origin point, so like this. And scale it big a little. And you go here, you shade smooth, and you have the same issue here. You can control this face or make it down, make it big. It's back to you. And I'm gonna copy this again, Alt-D, and make it down. So something like this, and we have the same here. Let's just assign it to here, in this shop, and go with this loop cut, and I just give it some bevel here, this edge and in this edge, and that's the final shot. So I hope that was useful, and thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.